What if ethics were a training for freedom?
In Buddhism, precepts are voluntary practices.
Not commandments. Skillful restraint.
A pause can change karma's direction.
Karma begins with intention.
Precepts protect attention. They train patience and clarity.
5 trainings. Simple, deep.
Practiced anywhere, by anyone.
The aim is non-harming. We undertake them freely.
First, refrain from taking life.
Not only humans, any living being. Care replaces impulse.
The heart learns tenderness.
Non-harming includes restraint in anger.
Open the hand. Open the mind.
Ask, did I increase safety today?
Second, refrain from taking what isn't given.
Notice the urge without feeding it.
Integrity is trained in small moments.
Thank you.
Trust grows where greed ends.
Stealing can be subtle. Time, credit, attention.
Give credit. Give credit. Share fairly.
Non-taking reduces fear and concealment.
Third, refrain from sexual misconduct.
This training protects boundaries.
Choose honesty over secrecy.
Thank you for the offer, but I must decline.
Restraint can be kindness.
Respect brings peace to relationships.
Fourth, refrain from false speech.
And I swear, the fish was DHIS big.
Watch the desire to impress.
Actually, I'm not sure. Truth can be humble.
Don't spread what you haven't checked.
Speech can heal or harm.
Are you doing okay? Right speech begins with awareness.
Fifth, refrain from intoxication that clouds the mind.
Because clarity is the ground of all training.
This isn't moral pride, just protection.
We choose what supports wakefulness. Notice pressure. Don't fight. Observe.
Freedom looks like a clear mind.
Choose presence over numbness.
Let's name the 5 trainings clearly. One, refrain from taking life.
3. Refrain from sexual misconduct. 4. Refrain from false speech. 5. Refrain from intoxicants that cloud the mind.
Together, they brighten awareness.
Training means practicing in real life. Non-harming begins with restraint.
A single pause changes the next moment.
Precepts nourish the roots of kindness.
Some reduce harm through consumption too.
May all beings be safe.
Respect for property is respect for people.
Honesty. Even when no one sees.
The mind becomes lighter.
Fidelity is attention where it belongs.
Desire is felt, then guided.
Are you seeing anyone these days?
I'd prefer not to discuss my private life.
Boundaries protect dignity.
Self-respect is part of restraint.
I cannot believe you would say that after everything. It was completely inappropriate.
I understand why you feel that way, but perhaps there is another perspective.
Truth without cruelty.
Right speech is timely and beneficial.
Don't weaponize words.
If it stirs harm, let it pass.
Clarity over escape.
A sober mind can observe craving.
Craving rises. Craving passes.
Precepts make meditation easier.
Less regret. Less agitation.
Each day, reflect gently.
Training begins the moment we wake.
Not perfection, honest seeing.
Mindfulness makes ethics workable.
point away from harm.
Non-harming becomes sensitivity.
We protect life when we can.
Non-taking includes returning what isn't ours.
Honesty builds trust in the world. Truth also means avoiding divisive speech.
Let's ask them directly later. Stream.
Speak to connect, not divide.
Even small lies disturb the mind.
A truthful mind is a quiet mind.
I realize I crossed a line, and I'm truly sorry.
Sexual responsibility includes repair.
Let consent be clear, always.
Come on, just try it. It's really good.
Thanks, but I'm fine for now.
You can say no without hostility.
Clarity doesn't need approval.
In the path, ethics is the first support. Without it, the mind wobbles.
Harm leaves residue.
May you be well. May I learn.
I understand why you're upset, and I'm truly sorry for the pain I caused.
Truth plus compassion heals.
Training is also generosity.
We can give time, effort, care.
Non-taking applies online too.
Integrity is consistent.
Protecting life includes caution.
Small restraint prevents big harm.
Could you stay late to finish this report?
I can't tonight. No exploitation, ever.
Respect is visible.
Just say it was an oversight. I can't do that.
Truth can be courageous. Let's fix it and be transparent. Honesty blockage you. Honesty protects everyone long term.
Clarity includes wise caution.
We guard the mind like a lamp.
A clear mind shows the path.
Precepts keep that light steady.
Less harm, less agitation. Peace is a natural result.
Life, property, relationships, speech, clarity. Try one day an experiment in awareness.
Set the intention before action.
Not to be good, to be awake.
Non-harming is practical.
The mind learns gentleness.
I think you gave me an extra pastry.
Oh, thank you.
Non-taking train straightforwardness.
Honesty is simpler than hiding.
Precept 3 begins with attention.
Respect protects hearts.
Come on, you have to tell me the secret.
I couldn't possibly.
Truth includes discretion.
Can't speak for them. Don't trade trust for entertainment.
Right speech is careful.
Precept 5 is about clarity.
You can feel craving without obeying it. Choose what supports mindfulness.
Where did I slip? No blame. Learn.
Reflection turns ethics into wisdom. The mind becomes easier to live in.
Ethics supports concentration.
Clarity reveals cause and effect.
Right there. Freedom.
Here.
Non-harming flowers into kindness.
Hear that?
Yes.
Thank you.
When we protect others, we protect ourselves.
Precepts are training rules for liberation.
They are not about identity.
Not I am pure, just I am learning.
Training holds steady in changing weather.
Precepts protect what matters.
Five simple trainings. One clear direction.
Grateful for a path that reduces harm.
Start where you are.
Take one precept today, sincerely.
Let the results teach you.
This is discipline as compassion. May your practice protect all beings. Keep training. Keep waking up.